Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael. I recently purchased this All-Clad half-quart cocottes and I wanted to show you what these are. These are individual little serving dishes that we see here, little pans, and you can cook in these, and I'll read the label on these and then we'll do some measurements and some weights on them. This says this is a All-Clad stainless steel half-quart cocotte. It's dishwasher safe, oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, and lifetime warranty on that. And I'll take some measurements on that. It shows on the bottom here that it is half a quart or 0.47 liters on that. So let's get some measurements on that now. From handle to handle, let's measure that from end to end. That is handle, that's about 7 3/4 on that. And from the depth on that one, we'll look at it, and that's just about 2 1/4. And across the bottom, I'll measure that across the bottom, and that is 4 3/4 inches, and I'll put the metric conversions for that in the description box below. So this is nice little stainless steel pans here. These can be used for if you wanted to make some French soup. You could put the soup in there and then put your cheese and your croutons on the top of it, put that into the oven and heat that up, and then you can just take that right to your plate where you're going to be eating it at and just eat right out of this. So it's kind of a one pot meal on that if you want to use it to reheat things in, or you can make some small individual servings of things and use those for your meals. Now that we've got the measurement on those, let's get the weight of these and see what these weigh. So I'm measuring in pounds and ounces first, and that's 11.6 ounces, 362 grams on that. And with the lid, I'll put the lid on there, and the weight of the lid is 118 grams. And I go back to my ounces, it's 4.15 ounces. So that's really nice weight on those. And I'll put the lid on and we'll do the weight on that also. So the total weight on that is 15.8 on that. So I like the nice little handles on those. Those have wide little handles, assist handles on those. They are riveted on those, which is really nice, riveted on the inside as well. We've got a nice polished finish on the outside of it. So really nice quality on these. I'll put the link in the description box below where I got these and the price. I got a really good deal on them. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the deal I got on them. If I got a good deal or didn't, let me know in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. If you like this content, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And while you're at it, maybe you might want to check out one of these 2 videos here on the side. You might find something else you'll like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment. What do you think about the price I got for these? And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.